Welcome back to the cafeteria. Today we are cooking with HelloFresh again, and we are making chicken enchiladas verdes. And today I'm going to show you how to follow a step-by-step recipe but also make it your own. So now I'm going to show you everything that came in my ingredient bag to make this. We have 1 poblano pepper, 2 green onions, Southwest spice blend, Mexican cheese, 6 flour tortillas, tomatillo salsa, and hot sauce and sour cream. So the first thing you want to do is make sure you preheat your oven. You want to set your broiler on high and adjust your rack to the top position. After that, we're going to wash and dry all of our produce, and then we're going to trim and thinly slice both of our green onion. We want to separate the whites from the greens, and you'll see why later in the video. Next, we're going to thinly slice our poblano pepper. And now for the second step, we're going to make the crema. This is going to be the sauce that we drizzle over the enchiladas at the end once we're done cooking them. So in a small bowl, we're going to combine our sour cream and our hot sauce. And what we're going to do to make it drizzle, we're going to add a teaspoon of water at a time, and then we're going to season it with salt and pepper. Moving on to step number 3, we're going to heat a drizzle of oil in a large pan over medium heat. HelloFresh suggests that you use an oven-proof pan, but use whatever works for you. So in this oil, we're going to saute our poblano pepper, and after we throw our pepper in, we're going to season it with a sprinkle of salt and pepper. And you're going to cook this until it's lightly blistered and softened, and that should take about 5 to 7 minutes. Moving on to step number 4, while the poblano is cooking, we're going to place our clean washed chicken in a medium bowl, and we're going to drizzle a little oil on it, and then this is where we make it our own. HelloFresh says to season it with Southwest spice, salt, and pepper, but I'm going to use a little more than that just because I know chicken is very bland and you need a lot of seasoning on chicken. So I'm adding garlic powder, curry powder, cayenne pepper just to my liking, but you can season it however you want. And we're also going to add the scallion whites to the chicken. And after that, we're going to toss it in the pan with the poblano pepper. And now, this is still a part of step 4. We're adding our chicken to the pan with the poblano chili. And we're going to cook this chicken until it is well done. And this should take about 4 to 6 minutes. So here I'm showing you that I forgot to add the Southwest spice blend when I was seasoning the chicken earlier. So before my chicken was cooked well done, I added it to the skillet and I tossed it all in there, got it all incorporated. And I don't think this had any effect on how the enchiladas turned out, so everything was all good. Now I'm stirring in a quarter of the tomatillo salsa. And once we have that added, we're going to stir it all in and turn off the heat. And now for step number 5. We're going to divide our chicken poblano mixture between the 6 tortilla shells, and then we're going to roll them. And once we have them all rolled, we're going to place them same side down in our pan, our oven-proof pan, or a 9 by 13 inch baking dish. Once we have our tortillas all nice and rolled and snug in our pan, we're going to top with the remaining tomatillo salsa and our Mexican cheese. After we add our tomatillo salsa and cheese to the enchiladas, we're going to pop them in the oven on the top rack until they are golden brown and bubbly for about 3 to 4 minutes. And there you have it. Now to finish and serve, we're going to drizzle the crema that we made earlier in the video. And then we're going to sprinkle with the scallion greens. So now I'm just gonna plate my enchiladas up and we are ready to eat. This only took 6 simple steps to make chicken enchiladas verdes. These enchiladas were so easy to make and they were so good. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.